ba ang importanteng binibigay sa atin ng Genesis Organic Spirulina? This is specifically one of the products na highly certified, FDA, USDA, halal, and other certification. At maganda ang production. High quality, nutrient-rich food supplement that can boost your immune system. It improves resistance to viral and bacterial infection. So, sa panahon ng pandemya, pwede mo siyang gamitin as a food supplement na makakatulong sa katawan mo. Remember, it is organic, so it cannot harm you. It has a natural cleansing and detoxification effect. Maganda siya kasi nakaka-finish siya ng ating mga toxins or endotoxins sa katawan, which is very, very good in itself. It is an effective antioxidant. Kita mo lang yung kulay, no? It is said that spirulina has 24,000 of aura value. Sa isang tao, kailangan lang ng 12 to 13,000 ORAC value. This is 24,000. So, meron ka pang sobra. It is complete in nutrition, vitamins, and high protein to give you strong energy and body vitality. Okay? Kung so nanghihina kayo, feeling nyo, kailangan nyo ng lakas, ng katawan, o ng sigla, pwede nyo nang inumin ang Genesis Organic Spirulina. Available online and selected outlet nationwide.